day to you. Bouncy here. Now we will learn that every season is special. This will also let us make decisions on what is best to wear in each season. Let us listen to the rhyme.
It is summer today and it is very hot. The sun is out and all about, time to play a lot. It is summer today and it is very hot. The sun is out and all about, time to play a lot. Now I play in the shade so I don't get hot. The trees protect from the sun's rays so they don't hurt a lot. Now I play in the shade so I don't get hot. The trees protect from the sun's rays so they don't hurt a lot. It is monsoon today and there is so much rain. I splash, I kick, rain is fun, there is no hot sun. It is monsoon today and there is so much rain. I splash, I kick, rain is fun, there is no hot sun. In monsoon I wear a coat so I don't get cold. I play all day and I'm safe, I don't feel dull and bored.